Hey y'all, I'm Brooke, and the cool tool presentation I chose was Storybird. Storybird. I chose Storybird because it's a free interactive website. Teachers, students, and even parents can connect through this website. What is super cool about this website is for teachers is the curriculum-based writing prompts, grade level tools, and watching the progress of your students as they begin the journey into writing. I love to see their creativity flowing when they start writing. This tool can show parents what we're learning in class, but also the cute stories their children have been writing. So, here it is. Here's your front cover. And there are endless options to choose from when writing a book through Storybird. It goes from kindergarten through 12th grade. So that's awesome. So we can do picture books, chapter books, and even poems. So that's great. I'm going to sign up for free to show you all how it works. So I started one. And I can come up with a title, so I can say cool tool presentation. And then you can pick from all these options of pictures or illustrations. So maybe because I'm using that, I can say the adventures the great mysterious cats. So you can just play around with it. That can be your first page, and then you can go back to your cover and you can choose classic, landscape, journal, or iconic, which I think it's really cool how you can choose so many different things. You can move stuff around. The great mysterious cat. And then you can put your name right here, or your class if your classroom is writing a book together. So there's that. And you can go back, and then you can start writing your book. So it's very simple, which I love, and I think that's very helpful, especially when working with the younger kids, so they can understand how to write their story and feel like they're not defeated because it's a lot of work. So you can earn badges, picture books, long form books. You can add to your bookshelf once you start writing. And you can go and read people's books, which I thought was really awesome. I think that's great for other students to go and read other students' work to get an idea of where they want to go with their writing. And then I think it's really great if you have writer's block. There's a book about that, because that's very easy to get. Hello Winter. Some just super cute books for different age groups. Very simple. And the illustration is great because it's from an artist who can keep their copyrights, and they get paid to draw these cute little illustrations for books. and it shows you the age range for this book. You can comment on it if you really enjoyed it, which is great because it's great to show feedback to other children. You can subscribe and get to other people's pages, and you can read their books even more if you really find a section of books to read to your class or to show them ideas. What I really like about this is for teachers, they have curriculum base, so you can go here under courses. When you go to the top, you click learn, and then you go to courses, and you can do creative or prep courses, and it shows you different things, or different ideas you can use. See writing skills grades 3 and 4th, writing skills grades 9th through 12th, which is great. That's a prep course. Because I want to stay in more of the elementary school. Oh, it comes out available. It's available August 2018. That's awesome. So we can look at the creative courses, song lyrics. There's 13 lessons. And then this is really cool. They have quizzes at the end to see if you really understood what you were reading. So just great. It's great for when you're writing a curriculum or your standards and how you can go about these things. So I just think it's great for your classroom, and it gets your students, you can do a center where they're learning to pre-write, and they can go on here and write about what they want to write about, and they can get creative with it. So I most definitely will be using this in my classroom to help my students and to just engage them in other ways than just giving them a test on reading or reading them a book. I think it's great for them to get their minds going. So you can click on different grade levels, different ages, different formats. Categories are endless, so I think like it's a very interactive tool.